Fellow Guyanese, I am Dr. Karen Gordon-Boyle, and thank you for joining me for today's COVID-19 update. According to the World Health Organization, globally, the statistics are as follows: 15,012,731 cases, with 619,150 deaths, and regionally, 7,948,513 cases, with 317,962 deaths. Now, for the update in Guyana, the total number of tests done is 5,439. The number of persons tested is 4,057, and 3,705 persons are negative. As of the 24th of July 2020, the number of positives is now 352, with 20 COVID-related deaths. The number of active cases in institutional isolation is 154. 33 persons are in institutional quarantine, and 4 persons are in the COVID ICU. To date, 178 persons have recovered. Yesterday, I shared with you some guidelines from our workplaces outlined in the Occupational Health and Safety Act of 1997, Chapter 9906. I mentioned the guidelines for travel, entrance, and office layout, and today I will talk about ventilation and sanitation nodes and some of the guidelines that schools should begin to consider. So as far as ventilation is concerned, employers should increase exhaust rates from AC, increase airflow from outside if possible, reduce or eliminate the recycling of air, service filters more frequently, reconsider policies regarding daily shutting down of AC where they are the only source of ventilation. Regarding sanitation nodes, provide tissues to dry hands, provide soap, water, sanitizer, that should be liquid soap, water, sanitizers in generous quantities. Ensure nodes have posters with hand washing techniques. Educate on hygiene measures for coughing or sneezing. As far as surfaces are concerned, prioritize the hourly cleaning of rails and doorknobs. Clean handsets of multi-user telephones. Adopt single-user keyboard policies. Cleaners must be provided with gloves, in addition to disinfectants. Enhanced cleaning must be done in spaces where ill persons would have been working. Travel. No non-essential travel. No travel even with minor symptoms. If sick during travel duty, seek nearest medical attention and inform supervisor. Regarding meetings, if needed, seek open spaces or room with outside ventilation and socially distanced. Video conferencing should be new preferred modus. Schools, general guidelines. The Ministry of Education will take the lead on decisions regarding students' return to school and how they will operationalize the workplace guidelines. However, these are just some suggestions for consideration. Entrances, note well. All personnel entering school premises must wear masks. All entrances and strategic places around the premises should have hygiene blocks comprising sinks with running water, liquid soap, or hand sanitizing stations. Screening must be done at entrances. Temperatures should be taken with the laser thermometer. Regarding classroom layout, social distancing, and other pertinent guidelines, it is suggested that the Ministry of Education, via heads of schools, identify focal points and establish joint committees in collaboration with parents to consider the best way forward to create the safest environment for our students. Parents and teachers should take joint responsibility for the policing of students during school hours to ensure adherence to guidelines. Fellow Guyanese, have a safe and enjoyable weekend. Remember to wear your mask, keep your distance, wash or sanitize your hands frequently, and don't forget the 8 p.m. curfew. Thank you.